In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Dell monitor to its factory settings, which can help resolve display issues or customize your setup. Let's get started. First, ensure your monitor is powered on. Locate the physical buttons on the front or bottom edge of the monitor. These are typically labeled and include a menu option. Press the Menu button to open the on-screen display OSD settings. Using the directional buttons, navigate to the Reset or Factory Reset option, often found under a sub-menu like System Settings or Others. Select it and confirm your choice when prompted. The monitor will then reset to its default settings, and the OSD menu will close automatically. If your monitor doesn't have a dedicated reset option, power it off, then press and hold the menu button while turning it back on. Keep holding the button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the screen flashes or displays a message indicating the reset is complete. Once reset, you may need to readjust settings like brightness, contrast, or input source to suit your preferences. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I hope your Dell monitor is now restored to its factory settings. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it useful.